Look at this luscious, thin, wonderful, salty and sweet slice of prosciutto. It's such a perfect balance of sweet, salty, and tasty that just melts in your mouth. But the rising cost of food prices now at your local supermarket is making it harder to enjoy a nice meal with family and friends in the comfort of your home. So I'm going to show you how to make a prosciutto and melon appetizer in bite-sized pieces so you can enjoy and taste luxury in portion bites. And also I'm going to reveal how to strain your ricotta so that you can have a crispy cup with any texture that you like, and you can even use this tip if you're making a filling for a pasta dish. Hey, it's Kyle from Kyle's Creations, here to make simple and healthy recipes for everyday living. If you're new now and you love to get cooking and enjoy making wonderful healthy appetizers, click that subscribe button right now and stay tuned for this next video. So this appetizer, I'm only using a few ingredients. A lot of them you could find at your local supermarket. You can even find affordable prosciutto. And at the fraction of the cost of eating out or having to use a whole slice to wrap in some melon, we're going to use one slice and we're going to get about 4 to 6 portions of prosciutto. So I have my dough cutter right here, and we're just going to punch some rings of phyllo dough. Even pressure. And we're just going to do 3. Perfect. Phyllo was around during the Middle Ages, and it was adapted for pastry making. And you can even use it for savory dishes. You could do savory pies, spinach pies, meat pies, so many different options. And you can make this yourself, but it's just much easier and affordable and flexible to buy it at your local supermarket. Hey, right here I have half clarified butter, half extra virgin olive oil. To learn how to clarify butter, please watch my spinach pie at the end of this video. So cut out 3 rings. There's like 12 to 15, maybe even 18 slices, and 18 layers of phyllo dough. And we're just going to split that. You could also brush each individual layer, but it's much easier to just dip it all. Sprinkle a little bit of za'atar in each cup. And we're going to add an aluminum shield to prevent the phyllo from burning. So it all cooks, so it all bakes evenly and gets crispy at the same time. You want to weigh it down and blind bake it with some beans so the phyllo dough doesn't puff up. Right, now this is going in our oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes until golden brown. Here I have a wonderful half cantaloupe, and I'm going to scoop out the inside. Let's split it in half first. Ricotta has all this extra liquid here, which is basically lemon boiled with milk to create curds. And now we're gonna drain it so it doesn't make the crispy phyllo soggy. This is how we're gonna do this. You take 1 slice of prosciutto and we're gonna portion this. To about 4 or 5 pieces. Take 1 piece, wrap it. Beautiful transparent cube of prosciutto. Just take a couple pieces here, press it together. Okay, and you could save all the scraps. You can add the prosciutto to a wonderful salad. Here I have some backup. Here I'm going to take a little bit of the ricotta filling right in the center. And we're going to take each piece of melon, right on top. Each piece of cantaloupe right on top, even the square ones. I'm just going to grab that with my finger. I'm going to add a little bit of honey right on top. Beautiful. And we're going to add a little bit of orange zest on top. Alright guys, look at this. Cheers. Perfect bite. You get to enjoy the taste, the luxury, the velvety smooth slice of prosciutto, but in portion bites that are very affordable, very flexible. Even your kids can make this and just have fun with it. This is going to melt in your mouth. It's see-through. You can see the melon through it. Look how beautiful that is. Wow, guys, that is amazing. It is so delicious. It is so light. It is so wonderful. It is an appetizer that transcends seasons. You can have this in the summer. You can have this in the fall. And it's beautiful, creamy, a little bit salty. And the sweetness of the honey really brings out the salty flavor of the prosciutto, and the creaminess of the ricotta actually ties everything together. It's like the glue that holds everything together. It's delicious and it's wonderful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and I have 2 more videos that use phyllo dough in similar fashions, but they're actually very different. One is a spinach pie. I teach you how to clarify butter. I teach you how to make the mix yourself, so you don't have to go out and buy it, and it's much more affordable and delicious when you get to control the ingredients. And my second video I'd like to plug is a one-of-a-kind dessert. It is a chocolate baklava with dates, using a wonderful, velvety smooth and delicious date and chocolate ganache with some crushed up nuts. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next episode. Take care.